Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Military diet: lose 10 pounds in just 3 days. The internet has been abuzz with a new diet, which is known as the military diet. This diet is extremely powerful and beneficial. In fact, it is believed that you can lose up to 10 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, in a single week. This diet is inexpensive and there aren't any books or supplements you should buy. This diet in fact a 3-day diet, which promotes the weight loss process. The diet plan is performed 3 days and then there is a 4-day break. Then, the circle is repeated again or until you achieve your ideal weight. It is believed that this diet was designed by nutritionists in the US military to get soldiers into top shape quickly. However, it doesn't actually have anything to do with that. It is, in fact, a low-calorie weight loss diet that promotes significant weight loss in just 1 week. Military diet plan: there is a detailed plan during the first 3 days. Therefore, you should follow a set low-calorie meal plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Moreover, during the 4 days off, you should consume healthy and balanced diet. This is the 3-day meal plan on the military diet. Day 1, breakfast: a slice of toast with 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, half a grapefruit, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch: a slice of toast, half a cup of tuna, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner: a 3-ounce, 85 grams, serving of meat with a cup of green beans, a small apple, half a banana, 1 cup vanilla ice cream. Day 2, breakfast: a slice of toast, 1 hard-boiled egg, half a banana, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch: 1 hard-boiled egg, a cup of cottage cheese, 5 saltine crackers, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner: half cup of carrots and half a cup of broccoli, 2 hot dogs, with no bun, half a banana, half a cup of vanilla ice cream. Day 3, breakfast: a 1-ounce slice of cheddar cheese, 5 saltine crackers, a small apple, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Lunch: a slice of toast, 1 egg, cooked however you like, a cup of coffee or tea, optional. Dinner: a cup of tuna, half a banana, 1 cup of vanilla ice cream. Important tips: you can drink as much coffee or tea as you want. However, you shouldn't add any calories from sugar or cream. Furthermore, you should drink plenty of water too. Additionally, during this diet plan, you shouldn't snack. You can swap peanut butter for almond butter and swap 1 cup of tuna for some almonds if you are vegetarian.